So it is all about a sense of independent thinking rather than accepting the ideas of others. Instead of basa ka og popular opinions, maminaw sa reviews or sa books. So instead so dapat you have your own decision so that makaingon ka nga naa kay kanang independent thinking. Dayon, yes. And ang belief sa ni Schopenhauer is the true knowledge that comes from personal experience rather than memorizing or repeating what other people can say. So instead of memorizing, so dapat Schopenhauer. So dapat is kananado kay own ito nga reasoning no aron maka-create of kanang unique ideas na magamit mo in the future.
Yeah.
Then he criticizes the people who read a lot but never develop their own thoughts. Kung para nila sa kanang mamutangay nga sige pagutang but walay kung saan pagbayad.
Bayad, yes. Utang, bayad sa utang.
Oh, yes, they are here to think for ourselves. So, makakait ang ideas na clear, original, and also useful and relevant to our kanang community, no? And then, no, i-warn niya ang mga tao sa una, until now, kanang too much reading the convenience our ability to reason out. So instead of following the famous philosophers, so
Aristotle?
Yes, Aristotle is one. Dapat we should analyze ideas, dayon learn to formulate questions so that masabtan nila sa kung maraasa nila ang ilang mga invention nila. Dayon, ingon siya nga, i-suggest sa niya nga, real wisdom comes from experience, not just studying books. So, do you agree that reading books is bad?
No. Yes, but
Sometimes.
but there are some books. But
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
no, we have
Yeah.
different opinions regarding of that. And then, wala siya naligon nga, reading books is bad. But dapat ang pag-read of books ay maka-inspire din siya sa others to maka-inspire and kumuha independent thought nga kanang dili ra na siya magbasa na siya. Dapat through reading, maka-formulate ka og mga inventions, mga ideas, mga facts na magamit mo. And then, simultaneous the importance of allowing own mind to engage directly with the world. So, instead of reading, pakita sa reading, so dapat you have your own experience. Okay.
We think that learning is a positive language, but absorb information from books, lectures, and also from internet. But this story challenge us to consider the value of knowledge and the value of independent thought. The case of Arthur is argument that the truth discovered through personal reflection is far more valuable than knowledge. So think of it like when you grapple yourself, when you grapple with the problem of yourself, when you discover an idea, that understanding will become a part of you. Just not the fact that story in memory, but it's how you can observe or how you observe your ability to navigate yourself, shape your perspective, or how you navigate your world. And the next is limitation of reading. As MJ mentioned kanina, magbasa ta, mag-read ta, but limitation. Arthur Schopenhauer doesn't dismiss reading or learning from others entirely, but he acknowledged their importance. However, he cautions against between limitation of reading. He argues that excessive reading can hinder the development of one's own thinking and constantly fitting with minds and external ideas, preventing it from forming its own connection and interpretation. So imagine your mind as a muscle. So when you constantly magsalig lang ka sa lain, magsalig lang ka sa uban nga thoughts and ideas, hindi ka makating sa imo ang kinalit.
So the mind as an active processor. So when you think yourself, your mind actively engages with the world. So it analyzes and interprets information based on your own experiences instead of just accepting what you are told. So you are explore ideas and form your own understanding. So the metaphor of the artificial limb. So Schopenhauer compares memorized knowledge to an artificial limb. So artificial limb means that artificial device that replaces a missing or a damaged body part, example like arm or leg. So it may seem useful, but it doesn't truly believe. So this thinking feels unfamiliar. So but when you reflect on ideas and are understanding them for yourself, they become a natural part of your mind, like a real limb that you can use freely. So karon is mag-debate and also debate.
Debate?
Debate between you.
Mo sa nakalahian sa knowledge of sa wisdom.
So, sa knowledge is, ang wisdom is dapat ka na magikan man yun sa imo independent of years. Kaya ang knowledge is, kailangan ka na mag-reflect sa imo naman. Kanang napay reference ba? O, dapat ka magikan. So, ay, kanang paano, i-divide na mong class into two teams. So, kani,
Neutral kami dahil.
ha?
Neutral. Kung nga man.
Wala na class. Agree o disagree na. So, this is team A, dayon team B. So, mag-jack-in po mo kung kinsa ang agree, dayon kinsa ang disagree.
Dali. Sige. Yes, kupot na eh kasi dito. Kita yung kaspa.
Disagree sa ilang na answer. Okay. Oy. Areno. Okay. Memorizing facts is less important than think critically.
Ha?
Memorizing facts is less important than think critically. Ano ba? So, memorize daw is kanang gamay daw yung importansya kaysa
Agree.
Bring me. Whatever. Kasi mo explain ko na. Ikaw din.
Ako ba agree?
Okay.
Agree because when you memorize something, it is agree ko atong statement because when you memorize paragraph or something, it is not required critical thinking because when you are memorizing, you are just memorizing such words and when thinking something or critically using your critical thinking, you require your own ideas by analyzing the given situation or the problem. So I am agreeing with the fact that memorizing is not is less important than critical thinking. Mas importante dyan critical thinking para mas suitable at yung solution kaya may para na solution.
less important ang memorizing sa dapat. Mo-distract ka na.
Sige. So, you focus on critical thinking man. So, paggamay nato, unsa man mas gitudluan man jud ta og mga facts, di ba?
Yes.
1 plus 1, 2 plus 2.
Correct.
Anya, so nag-base ta ato, but important gihapon ang memorizing facts because that is our foundation.
Yes.
Para kita magitan the basic facts, memorizing until such time magamit gihapon nato ang those facts to
Combine.
magamit gihapon nato ang facts ang katong gipang tulo nato pag elementary na inigkat ko nato kay mao to sila ang atong foundation sa kanang mga complex nga malikabot sa bukan. Like for example, pag elementary ko nato gitudluan man ta og sa naa sa libro, so ano sa buwan, kanya gitudluan mo to basic reading, memorize pa dali ta atong mga points sa pag elementary nato. So memorize the multiplication table. So memorization is still important.
Bibi.
Okay, last. Last.
Ito ba ano sa rin?
Last siya ng based sa statement eh. Hindi, wala man siya nag-test eh. Not important, it's just saying that less important. Mas, agree naman siya. So, agree ang statement kay, less important na memorizing kay, yes, sakto to take ka na. Pag foundation siya, but mas more important siya ng critical thinking. As we grow kaya kay, dapat sa tuya po nga, hindi na po siya mag-base kung unsa po natin na-memorize. So, dapat sa mag-think po dyan up, pa dyan anak, para mas mag-grow.
It's like how you implement your foundational facts. How about you memorize it but you don't really understand? So you need to use your brain to implement or to how you're really going to how to use that facts.
But according to Moore, memorizing is less important than independent thinking. As what buong sa akong i-discuss sa inyo, no? Kaya please, second statement. Ano ka dali?
Ito ba, gaday?
Di okay, nagkati ko.
Okay, kada statement, bakit nagkakit ko?
Jen, nailasal.
Ilain sa tubig, wala na.
Kami na sa ipin.
Kami na sa ano?
Okay, sige. True wisdom comes from personal reflection, not from books. True wisdom comes from personal reflection, not from books. Not from books. Personal reflection, not from books. Okay, agree sila, disagree me. Disagree mo yan.
Disagree sila. Disagree ni.
Why do you agree that statement wisdom comes from personal reflection, not from the book?
Ikaw si Debe?
True wisdom comes from personal wisdom. We believe that true wisdom comes from personal reflection because from the word itself, wisdom, it came from us. It is within ourselves, not from books or not from the books that we have read, not from the books that we are about to read, or not from the books that you can see or you can read on the bookshelf, or you can see on the library, because wisdom is within you and it's up to you on how you what you call this, on how you portray portray the wisdom that is within you. So for us, wisdom is comes from
Experience. Your own.
Personal
yes, personal
perspective.
reflection.
Yes.
So, ako? So, ito na statement.
Like, do you disagree?
Yes.
Yes.
True wisdom comes from personal reflection, not from vocational.
So, I disagree with the statement that wisdom is based on personal reflection rather than books. Not from books, because when we say wisdom, ako sa translate sa Bisaya, it's our kaalam, right? It's when we say wisdom, it is our tongue. But if we base sa books, na mga something, na mga wisdom na to nga sayop ang atong pagtuo sa anang abutang, kay makita na to sa facts of it sa books nga makaingon ka nga ay sayop dito akong pagtuo, so dapat nila ko i-correct, right? So wisdom, it is not just about in personal reflection, but it is based on books, facts, and other nga para mas makorek na to o mas ma-improve pa ang atong knowledge in that certain way as we go further.
I believe that wisdom comes from our personal reflection because it is from us, diba, as what you have said na it is the kaalam. So the kaalam itself is for example, you have done one thing, and then from that certain experience, then makakun ka kay, for example, masayop ka, and then i-correct ka sa teacher, for example, lesson plan, butang na to. And then magpa-correct ka sa teacher, and then muanang teacher mauni asayop ni ana, and then from that experience, imo na siya ma-reflect sa imong kagalingon nga di ako nasayop, mo ni akong sayop, so mo na nga imong nakatunan ana nga panghitabo, mo na imo masud sa imong utok, mo na nga ma-divert nimo nga makatunan nimo, mo na mag-reflect ka sa imong kagalingon ana nga sayop, mo na nga madagdag nimo pod sa imong kaalam. So that's why we believe na ang wisdom comes from our personal reflection.
Crystal mentioned about the lesson plan daw, the way we check, so what comes to the personal reflection. So if we disagree with me, so in that case, di ba, ang teacher mo, the way mo correct sa atong lesson plan, kanang kung sa'yo or dili, but still, ang teachers, di mo nagikan mo ka ng resources. Di ba, gikan niya po siya sa mga articles, sa books, kung diin na gikan ang usay, kung saan pagpahimutang ang mga lesson plan. So, still, gikan niya po siya sa books, dili niya po siya gikan sa
Mana.
teacher.
As what you have said na pwede siya ma-correct through books and articles. Therefore, kung ma-correct ka through books and articles, then who are the people that kanang nagsuwat ana, di ba tawra pod? Dili man nagikan ilang di ba ay pagsuwat diha, gikan na sa kaalam sa tao. Correct.
Klaro kayo ng tots.
Last one?
Next slide.
Okay, so yes, one sheet of paper and a book.
Uy! Kano? Go!
And Howard believes that reading too much can hinder independent thinking. Schopenhauer believes that reading too much can hinder independent thinking. become a great thinker. According to Schopenhauer, memorizing facts is the key to become a great thinker.
Ibalik ko.
According to Schopenhauer, memorizing facts is the key to become a great thinker.
Meron sana, 3, 2. Balik ka, Jay.
According to Schopenhauer, memorizing facts is the key to become a great thinker. Schopenhauer argues that true wisdom comes from personal reflection rather than external sources. Okay, number 4. The essay suggests that blindly following expert opinions is the best way to gain knowledge. The essay suggests that blindly following expert opinions is the best way to gain knowledge. Five. Schopenhauer believes that thinking for oneself is more valuable than simply acquiring knowledge from books. Mana? Seven. According to Schopenhauer, originality in thought. According to Schopenhauer, originality in thought is unnecessary because all ideas are already existing. Unnecessary daw ang According to Schopenhauer, originality in thought is unnecessary because all ideas are already existing. Seven. The essay criticizes those who passively accept the thoughts of others without questioning them. The essay criticizes those who passively accept the thoughts of others without questioning them. Dapat Schopenhauer suggests that education should focus more on teaching students how to think rather than what to think. Dapat daw ang education should focus daw sa pagtuturo sa students on how to think rather than what to think. Okay. 9. Schopenhauer believes that society encourages people to think independently. So, ang society is encourage the people to think Number 7. The main message of the essay is that true intellectual development requires active
True ka false.
True, false. 3, true. 4, false. 5, true. 6, false. 7, true. 8, true. 9, false. 10, true.
I agree.
Ano lang, nami wrong, hindi perfect.
Say 9